Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G82, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications, expand it, and in here you are looking for hotspot. Now once you locate this, the first time around you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, or from here you want to select Wi-Fi hotspot, and this will give you access to the settings of it. Now the reason you want to do this is because if you look at hotspot password, this is just some randomly generated password which, without actually going in here and checking it, you have no way of knowing what it is. Now you could use this one, but to be honest, it's not very friendly, so what I would recommend doing is removing this one and setting up your own. Now your own password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And that's honestly the only thing that you basically need to change, or should change. Rest of the settings are set so they will work best for everybody, no matter what device you will be using to connect to this hotspot with. So if you're not too well versed in what hotspot is and all the settings in here, I wouldn't recommend changing them, because the default ones will ensure that your hotspot will work all the time for whatever device you're planning to utilize the hotspot with. Now for people that know what they're going to be changing, obviously go right ahead and change it for your needs. So yeah, anyway, once the settings have been changed, you can now find the toggle once again, tap on it to enable it whenever we need our hotspot. And there we go, it's already running. You will have this icon right here to show you that it is running. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off quickly by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and this will disable it. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.